Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel How To. In my last video I showed that how you can backup your WhatsApp chats to a new device. Then you have to log in into new device using same number and same email. Then it will start auto restoring your last backup. But in few cases it is not working. The reason there are few things which you must take care. For example, first of all, there is enough email on your Gmail storage or in your drive so that you can backup. You can see in my case my backup is stopped due to out of storage. So make sure you have enough storage. Okay, let's discuss that how you can restore your chats if you did backup and still unable to restore your chats. So first of all, make sure there is a backup. Go to your Google One account and you can see the backups or your storage. Click on storage and here you will see WhatsApp. Okay, click on it. It will show your WhatsApp backup. So there are two numbers and backups which exist on my Google Drive. So first is 600 MB almost, and which is 21st December 2024, which was same account I was showing in the start. So it means my backup exists. After that, uninstall your WhatsApp and then install it again, and then restart your phone. Then again open WhatsApp and enter your the number which was logged in into your last account, and same email which were using in your old device. So once it is done, then it will ask few permissions like media and storage. So make sure you have allowed them all. If you have skipped that step, so you can manually allow WhatsApp by going into app setting. You can click on manage apps, then here search for WhatsApp, and then app permission. So make sure you have allowed all permissions, or at least your phone, photos and media, music and audio, these are necessary, and microphone. Allowed WhatsApp to access these app permissions. So once you have allowed this, then log in and enter all details like number and Gmail or anything which will WhatsApp ask. So once you are logged in, it will start auto restoring your chats. In case this auto restoring is not working in your phone, so you have to backup it manually. So let me show you how you can backup your WhatsApp chats manually. Locate file manager and then click on storage, then Android, click on media, then search for com.whatsapp, then click on WhatsApp, then you have to click on databases. So you can see there are different message store and date. There are many backups present there, but WhatsApp will restore your backup which with this name, which is message store.db.script14. So if you want to restore your this backup, for example this one, so you can rename it. Right click on it and then more, and then rename it. With same name like it is showing here. It may depend on your WhatsApp version. Earlier like it is showing 14, here it might show 12 or 13 based on your WhatsApp version, so or your device. based on your device. So you have to make sure that your backup is named like this. So copy this file into in similar location, go to your new devices and backup, and then go to your new device and go to that folder backup and databases, and paste this file which you copied from your old device here. So once it is done, WhatsApp will auto restore your messages. So these are a few methods which you can try to restore your WhatsApp chats from your old device. Thank you so much. Please like this video and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.